Hi, today's SolidWorks tutorial I'll be discussing about how to make SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand and learn how it was done properly. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Press File, New. Let's wait a bit. And then a new solid documents open out with the template. Press the part and click OK. A new sketch open, and we have to use the front plane and sketch. Click sketch, then click the circle. First of all, check the units, the system option general, properties, go to unit, let's do it millimeter, click OK. Then make sure or put a dimension, let's say 50 millimeter. Try generate the model with the current value and save the current value and exit the dialog box. Press that one and then click the circle again. Press 40. Put 40 millimeter and regenerate the model and click OK. Now I want to extrude this one, extrude boss, let's say at 50. Let's say 25. The unit as in millimeter. Then rebuild and save the model to part exercise 184. Let's make another drawing in the front plane again with a sketch. Press the sketch and go into normal 2. Then click the center rectangular. Then make sure or dimension it to 65, and also at the bottom at 65. Press up OK, and let's use the sketch play. From here, the entities to be play with the 10 mm as the play parameter. And also this one, and also this one, and also this one. And click to get out of this sketch play. Another click. Now make a circle on here. Make sure it has, that's good, 8 millimeter. Oh, that is 8 millimeter. Press regenerate the model with the current value and press OK. Get out of the dimension dialog box. Click the circle and shift key. Click another of the edge of the sketch and concentrate. Press the concentrate. Oh, it's concentric already, so that's good enough. Let's do the $24, $25. That's good. And I wanted to have a circular sketch pattern for this one. So it will be 4. It says 4 with a 360-degree rotation. So click OK. Now you have all of them. You have all of them with a circle in it. And press the picture, extrude, the other way around, and that is 8mm. And press the click OK, the dialog box for the extrude. Then I wanted to draw another to the normal inside the circle. So sketch. Draw a circle here. Oops. Let's do it again. It's not on the center. Then dimension it as 35. 1mm, and press the regenerate mode with the current value and save the current value. Let's do the normal. Center pairs. Let's put 2 lines, and I want to have it 45 in degrees. Press regenerate and click OK. And then make a circle from here. Let's say 10 as the value of the circle. Now it's fully defined. Now I wanted to have it in a circular sketch pattern. Press that one, the circle, the point. Now it's with the number of 4 instances at a 360 degrees. Click OK. Now I wanted to extrude boss at the surface here and press OK. Now I wanted to draw another sketch on this side. Circle, and then put as 50 in millimeter and press regenerate and save. Then offset it and reverse it to 2.5 or 5. And extrude it. Extrude to 15. The unit is in millimeter. Okay. Then I wanted to insert the picture thread here. Let's do more. Which is extrude thread. And also on the other end. Picture thread. And 5, then extrude thread. Let's put a jumper in this area. Of a jumper of 2 millimeter. And also here. Let's put another hole on this middle one. So let's do a sketch. A hole on this area, which is 8. Regenerate. And then I wanted to extrude cut. Do the next. So you can see there is a hole right there. And also here. Let's do the jumper onto this area also. Just leave it like that. It doesn't work because of the thread. Let's change the length of that one, so it will maybe, let's put it as 40 as the unit. Okay. And let's do the second thread. Should be more than maybe 20. Okay. Now it's a little bit longer. Let's do the color. Red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, maybe this one. Okay. And let's do the render. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks. Please make a comment on how my tutorial gives you enough information on how to use SolidWorks. If my tutorial is okay for you or some changes that I can improve and make my videos more easy and fun, learn SolidWorks for you. Thank you very much.